Way high up in the sky, you can see me flying by. On days when the sun is bright, even during starry nights. I have wings but I'm not a bird. Everyone looks up when I'm heard. I'm the amazing aeroplane, also called an airplane. I fly over rivers and plains, over China, France and Spain. All across the globe I go. To me the world looks tiny, so I am huge but look small, like a toy play from the mall. But my windows, wings and tail can be well seen as I sail. I can dive and I can dip, I can roll and I can spin. Breathtaking are my air shows. I face storm and rain and snow. Come with me to float with the clouds, single or in a big crowd. In a hangar I take rest before I fly east or west.